Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete and close Shopify store. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com and make sure you're logged in when you open your internet browser over at your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once done with step number 1, you're now going to follow the following steps that I'm going to be doing. Just move along as I move my cursor. First, open the settings bar that has a gear icon. Once you are over at settings, you're going to scroll down and then look for the globe icon that says domains. Now wait for the website to finish loading. In here, you can search for the domains that you are active in. The first step is to remove all the domains you have or you own. Once you have removed all your domains, you're all good. Right now, we're going to go back to the home page. In here, we're going to use the search bar. First, we're going to search for apps. This one over here, just click on it. And then, you're now going to cancel all your subscriptions over to your apps. Once done ending your subscription, this time, we are now going to proceed with the next step. And the next step involves going to settings once again, and then clicking on plan. Once you are now in settings and in plan, you will now see that there is an option of trial or next billing date and payment method. In here, you're going to deactivate your trial or end your subscription. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.